September 25th, Monday. Darkness to light. Light to dispel darkness. The purpose of light is to dispel darkness and to show the way. For Christians, Jesus Christ is the light who dispels the darkness and shows us the right path to life. Thus, the Gospel today stresses upon this purpose of the light, that a lamp should not be covered but be used to show light. By being in a true relationship with Christ, who is light, we all become the light. There is a greater role to be played in this vocation of Christians. First is to experience the presence of Christ in one's life, and second is to impart this experience to others. A Christian life is a community life where one experiences God through Jesus Christ and does not restrict this experience to oneself. He or she becomes a lamp not to be hidden or covered. Example, to be happy with this experience and live a solitary life, but to show the light to others, to know Christ and follow Him in love. The Christian life is a social life, a life which builds community. In light, the blurred image becomes clear and the truth is visible. It is through Christ that the blurred image of life becomes clear and one finds true meaning in life, a life of love, service and charity, a life lived by Jesus Christ, preached through action than words. Pray and practice. Dear Jesus Christ, give us the grace that as Christians we will also be light to be put on the lampstand to dispel the darkness in the world and show others the true path.